The most compelling feature is the completely wireless design, which is made possible by a powerful 12,000 milliampere-hour rechargeable battery that simplifies installation immensely. You can effortlessly tailor the ambiance with 3 distinct white light temperatures and 12 additional vibrant colors, all of which are fully dimmable across 10 brightness levels. A unique and creative aspect is the ability to independently rotate the light tubes a full 180 degrees, allowing you to craft personalized lighting shapes. Convenience is paramount with dual control options, offering both a comprehensive remote control and a simple touch-sensitive switch directly on the fixture. Thoughtful additions like a gentle nightlight mode and an automatic shutoff timer enhance the user experience, particularly in a bedroom setting. The sconces boast a sophisticated minimalist aesthetic with a gold-finished aluminum alloy body, providing soft, flicker-free illumination that's easy on the eyes.